Hey guys, just a quick preview because I've been working very hard on character creator characters and generally moving custom characters from DAZ Studio and from character creator, and I will publish a video on my entire pipeline of workflow, how to transfer those characters with perfect weight on cloth, and yeah, generally how to work with them. So we got this character creator guy here, which is a standard CC3 plus character, and we got our first person animation pack. And the problem that we had is that our animations were not aligning as animation, because our character, to look good and to have his proportions, well, he had to he had to keep his body type that his actual character has, not the mannequin one, and the mannequin is, well, severely deformed when you compare it to a human being. So what I managed to work on is using virtual bones in a way that would allow us to actually have perfect placement of hands, still having full IK and transferring the entire animation that we have. And I want to remind you that those animations we are using here, they don't have proper IK bone setup. They really don't have IK bone setup at all. So what we are using is just virtual bones as IK bones in a very specific way. And I'm going to make a tutorial, and I'm going to update the AGR project to have this IK setup as default. So I can shoot, I can do basically anything I could. I can swap weapons. By the way, I can reload, and you can see that the sync and placement is fine. And if I go here, you can see that my fingers are a bit sinking into the gun because my hand is slightly smaller in proportion than the mannequin hand. So my fingers are shorter, my hand is smaller, and it's impossible to hold the gun absolutely exactly in the same position. However, we can compensate right hand position and gun position in counter compensation the same way. So the only problem that we'll see is the left hand, honestly. But we still have perfect aim for this gun as well. And we can reload. And yeah, generally it's working quite well. So yeah, look forward to this tutorial. And by the way, this also works in third person, so whatever I am working on right now, I can show you in here. So in here I have full third person animations with proper IK bones. So this guy is running fully the skeleton as he should. And yeah, I can quickly jump out, and you can see that the left hand position to the right hand position is corrected, and it is following the right hand properly. So whatever IK I will be doing on the right hand, it will automatically transfer to the left hand. And by the way, and there is also some additional work done for the feet, because this character, having different proportion of bones, he would be actually floating in the air. So I've been doing some leg IK to stick his feet to the ground properly, and then additional IK to do this foot placement on uneven terrain. So now finally he's holding the gun exactly as in the animation. However, the animation itself sometimes got problems. Like for example here, well, not with this animation. let's go back. In my idle animation, if I loop around, I can see here that the one of the joints is, well, a bit missing the point, but this is animation problem. This is not due to IK or anything I'm doing. It's unfortunately imprinted in the animation itself, so I will have to fix the animations for some of those. But yeah, but this works just fine. So yeah, thank you for listening, and hopefully you will find this useful. I should be able to upload the tutorial by tomorrow. Thanks, bye.